first test I'm going to be performing with the Skydio 2 Plus is at max height and max range. Now remember that this is just with the mobile device. I'm not using the beacon or anything else like that. This is just me using my phone, which is in my pocket during this flight. And for some reason at this point, it just loses me, and I'm not sure why. So I had to turn around, and now I'm using the mobile device to lower the drone and find me as a subject. I was pretty impressed with the drone up until this point. It tracked me at pretty high height and pretty far range. Now it hasn't found me as a subject yet, so I'm bringing it in closer. So there it found me, and then after it started tracking me as a subject, it kind of had a hard time finding its place. So now I'm resetting it to max range and max height. Here I'm going pretty fast. I can't remember if I'm in third or fourth gear, but the drone does lose me again. Once again, I use the mobile device to bring the drone overhead. Now test 2 will be at the closest range and the lowest height with height floor limit set on. That's a setting that allows the drone, or won't allow the drone to go below a certain height or altitude. So I can't hear the drone over the dirt bike, so I keep looking over my shoulder to see if it's following me. Right here, I punch it and I'm going full throttle. The Skydio 2 Plus does a great job here, dodging trees and wires over top and comes right back down on top of me. Still focused on me, still tracking me. A phenomenal job. So just up this hill, I'll be in fourth gear, full throttle. Now it didn't lose me at all during test 2. Overall, I think the Skydio 2 Plus is the best obstacle avoidance and subject tracking in the industry. Stay tuned for plenty more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.